How to set up a profile on Facebook. First go to www.facebook.com in your preferred web browser. Click your name. This tab is in the upper right side of the Facebook page, directly to the right of the search bar. Select your current profile picture, hover your mouse over your profile picture which is on the left side of your profile page. Side of the update profile picture window. Edit your profile picture's thumbnail. Click Save. This blue button is at the bottom of the Edit Thumbnail window. Add friends. Facebook's nothing if you don't have friends and family to share with. Manage your privacy settings. There are countless horror stories of people posting things that they don't want others to see or losing a job because of something. Because of something controversial they shared. Take some time to set up your privacy setting to prevent the wrong people from seeing what you post.